Hello, kids! I am Lumi. Welcome to Lumi's Playhouse. Let's learn, play together. Follow me on this magical path. Wow, look outside. It's raining today. Rain makes everything sparkle. I wonder if someone needs my help. My magic leaf is glowing. That means someone is waiting for us. Come on, let's go together. Don't be shy, little duck. Watch me. One, jump, splash. Again! Oh no, my magic leaf is losing its sparkle. Look, a little butterfly wants to show us something. Come on, let's follow it. Hello, Bunny. Are you trying to wake up the rainbow flower? I think it needs a little more magic. Maybe we can help together. Great job, Duck. Keep splashing. Hold it. Bunny, keep hopping. It's working, but we need a little more. Wow. Thank you, Elephant. Your magic flash did. Look at that beautiful rainbow. We did it. Everyone worked together. Now the whole magical garden is shining again. Let's celebrate! Today we learned something very special. Fantastic Preschool. When friends help each other, even the biggest magic can happen. Bye-bye!